Hello students, good morning to all. Today we are seeing the exercise 2.2 in chapter 2, relations and functions. Now question number 1, let A equal to 1, 2, 3 dot 14. It means 14 elements. Define a relation R from A to A by R equal to x comma y. 3x minus y equal to 0, where xy belongs to A. Some conditions are given. Write down its domain, codomain and range. So now only I am explaining that domain. The first element in the set is called domain. The second element in the set is called codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. Okay, right. Solution. We have A equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. 14. Given relation R x comma y and 3x minus y equal to 0 for all x comma y belongs to A. That is x comma y 3x minus y equal to 0. So from this we are finding domain, codomain and range. X comma y. See, 3x minus y equal to 0, y equal to 3x. We are rewriting the formula y equal to 3x. Now x comma y, in the place of x you write x, in the place of y you write 3x, where x comma 3x belongs to A. Now we are substituting the value x equal to 1. So x equal to 1, then y equal to 3 ones are 3. When x equal to 2, 3 twos are 6. When x equal to 3, 3 threes are 9. When x equal to 4, 3 fours are 12. So this is the last number according to our condition, because the value 3x lies between 1 and 14. Here after 12 we will get the answer 15. So we stopped here 12. We are substituting the value x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the domain, I already told you, the first element in the set is called domain. The second element in the set is called codomain. That is range. Range is a subset of codomain. See, domain of R equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain 1 to 14. Range, the second element 3, 6, 9, 12. So this is the answer. Like that, second question. Define a relation R on the set n. N is a natural numbers. R x comma y equal to x plus y. This is the condition. X is a natural number less than 4. X comma y belongs to n. Depict this relationship using roster form. Write down the domain and the range. So roster form எழுதணும், domain and range கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Condition நம்ம நோட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Given relation R equal to x comma y, y எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா y equal to x plus 5 and x also less than 4, strictly less than 4. So that is the condition. Now y equal to x plus 5, x belongs to 1, 2, 3 because x is strictly less than 4, starting from natural numbers 1, 2, 3. Now substitute x equal to 1, 2, 3 in the given relation. See, if you take x equal to 1, y equal to 6, x equal to 2, y equal to 7, x equal to 3, y equal to 8. So therefore domain of R equal to the first elements 1, 2, 3, range R equal to 6, 7, 8. Next question 3. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and b equal to 469. Define a relation R from A to B by R equal to x comma y. The difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Write R in a roster form. Solution. Given A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, B equal to 4, 6, 9. The relation is R equal to x comma y. Difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. See relation x comma y. Y minus x equal to odd. So odd number means then R equal to first element 1, 1 comma 4. See 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 9, 3 4, 3 6, 5 4, 5 6. See the difference between x and y is odd. How? Check this. 4 minus 1, 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. Like that we are checking this. Next question number 4. So again, once again I will explain here. See the diagram. Two domains are given. One is P, another one is Q. This P is called domain. Q is called codomain, that is range. Okay, right. The figure shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write this relation in set builder form and roster form. What is its domain and range? So now we are writing the set builder form. R equal to x comma y. X comma y, and the difference between the first and second element is 2. X minus y equal to 2. The x element belongs to B and y element belongs to Q. That is R of x comma y, y equal x minus 2 for 5, 6, 7. Check this, you can find this. And roster form, R equal to 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. First element 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Okay. Next domain. Domain of R, the first element 5, 6, 7. Range 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So that is the range. Again you will get the same elements 3 by 5 in the Q, set Q. That's why we are writing equal to Q. Question number 5. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by A comma B. A comma B belongs to A. B is exactly divisible by A. So this is the condition. B is exactly divisible by A. Write R in roster form. Find the domain of R. Find the range of R. Given A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Given relation is R, A comma B. Exactly divisible by A. B number divisible by A is the condition. Now roster form. 1. You are writing this 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. Like that. 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6. Okay, like that. The B element is exactly divided by the first element A. For example, we will take only one. 3 comma 6. The second element 6 divided by 3. Exactly divided by 3. Okay. 6 comma 6. 6 divided by 6. 4 comma 1. 4 divided by 1. 2 comma 4. 4 divided by 2. So the condition is satisfied. B is exactly divisible by A. Domain of R 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Range of R 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So same answer. So we write A equal to A. Question number 6. Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R equal to x comma x plus 5. X belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solution. Given relation R equal to x comma x plus 5. X belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is equal to, substitute x equal to 0, we will get another element 5. X equal to 1, 6. X equal to 2, 7. X equal to 3, 8. X equal to 4, 9. X equal to 5, 10. So, by using this condition, we applying the values, we will get the first and second elements. Now we can find domain. The first element is domain 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second element is range. Range of R equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Next, question number 7. Write the relation R x comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. Solution. Given relation is R equal to x comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10. So, x comma x cube for all x belongs to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now, put x equal to 2. You will get x cube means 2 cube. X equal to 3, 3 cube. X equal to 5, 5 cube. X equal to 7, 7 cube. So, power now 2, 8, 3, 27, 5, 125, 7, 343. So, this is the roster form.
Let A equal to, question number 8, let A equal to x, y, z, B equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. So, different question, number of relations. Solution. Given A equal to x, y, z and B equal to 1, 2. Now, n of A, that is number of elements in A, set A is 3. Number of elements in set B is 2. According to the formula, n of A cross B equal to n of A multiplied with n of B. Now, 3 multiplied with 2, 6. Number of relations from A to B is equal to the number of subsets of A cross B. This is the rule, procedure, right? Formula. Number of relations from A to B is equal to the number of subsets of A cross B. Since A cross B contains 6 elements, that we are finding now here. 6 elements, therefore, number of subsets of A cross B equal to 2 power 6, that is 64. So, there are 64 relations from A to B. Question number 9. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R equal to A comma B. A comma B belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. So, that is the question. Given the relation R equal to A comma B. A, B belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. Now, A minus B belongs to Z means every ordered pair of integer is contained in R. This is the formula. Every ordered pair of integer is contained in R, real numbers. So, A comma B belongs to Z. That is given condition. So, the range also there. Range of R equal to domain of R. Both are same. So, equal to Z. I hope you enjoy the subject. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.